This Charleston-style 4-bedroom, 4-full-bath home offers 2,886 square feet of enjoyable living space. It has many quality features that include hardwood floors, plush carpet, granite countertops and stainless appliances, and beautiful fireplace in the main living area. The floor plan makes it great for entertaining friends and family with easy flow from one room to the next. The master bedroom enjoys private access to one of the porches. The master bathroom is welcoming with a relaxing soaking tub. The additional bedrooms are just as spacious. 2 large open porches and a screened porch give plenty of opportunity for bird watching or just enjoying the day. There is a picturesque live oak in the front yard that adds to the charm of the low country. This home is complete with an attached 2-car garage,